Intelligent Disaster Assessment and Monitoring System IDAMS. Proudly presented by Dronimagination, IDAMS is an intelligent, three-phase disaster preparedness and management platform designed for pre-disaster prediction, real-time monitoring, and post-disaster assessment. Built on advanced drone and GIS intelligence, IDAMS integrates high-resolution LiDAR point clouds, landslide inventory data, and survey of India's ORS reference geospatial benchmarks into one unified decision-making platform by analyzing critical terrain attributes, including slope stability, crown angle of hills, elevation models, and surface deformation. The system dynamically identifies priority risk zones. Real-time integration with automated weather station data enables accurate rainfall correlation, helping authorities understand how precipitation actually interacts with terrain, not just how much rain falls but where and how it accumulates. When risk thresholds are crossed, IDAMS triggers real-time alerts and early warnings to vulnerable communities within identified priority zones. Beyond terrain and climate intelligence, the platform integrates socio-economic and household-level data, accurately estimating population density, occupancy, and ground reality, making evacuation planning faster, smarter, and life-centric. IDAMS was not built in isolation. It was born from real-world heartbreak, the devastating landslides of Wayanad and Villangad, Kerala. From tragedy we chose purpose. From loss we built intelligence. IDAMS, transforming disaster response from reaction to readiness.